we're going to take a look at how to sort a list on a PC. This is through Excel, and we're going to learn the sort function on a PC. Let me share my screen and we will get started. Here I have a list of 50 random numbers. Let's say that I want to put these 50 numbers into order from lowest to highest number. To do so, I'm not going to go through and manually do that. Instead, I'm going to come over and click on the A itself. When I have, if you can see, there is an arrow pointing down. I'm going to click and highlight that entire column. And then on the home screen, I'm going to come over to Sort and Filter, and I'm going to click on the drop down, and I'm going to say smallest to largest. And then you'll see that it automatically sorted it. So 15, 27, 34, 57, etc. to take me from the smallest number to the largest number. You can do the same thing for largest to smallest, and that will take me from 993 down. So to sort numbers, you can just come over and do smallest to largest. I also, let me just quickly put in some random letters here. And you'll see when I highlight a column that has letters instead of numbers, it changes from sort to A to Z or Z to A. So again, I'm able to sort those so that they are in alphabetical order or reverse alphabetical order. That's how you use the sort function on Excel for a PC. Thanks, everybody.